I was inspired to be a criminal defense attorney. The main point was when I started in college mock trial, and that's when we got the facts of a criminal case and a civil case. We got to listen and go ahead and practice that case, argue that case in a court, practice closing arguments, cross-examining witnesses, and that gave me the experience of what it was like to be a trial attorney. And I found the process to be really exciting, how we looked at the facts of the case, we got to work on our arguments, go into court, and actually litigate a case. And that's when I started to get an idea. This is maybe a career I would like to do. This is maybe something I would like to do for work that I had done for practice in college. When I represent a client, it's very important to keep certain values in mind. Number one, very important value is communication with the client. I understand that clients who are hiring me for criminal defense are in a very stressful situation. Many times they have never been through this process before and they don't have an understanding of what's going on. Part of my job is to take them through the process and tell them what is going to happen on the court date, what is the role of the district attorney, what is the role of the judge, what are the charges that they're facing, and how the process goes forward. So when clients call me, I try to call them back as soon as I can. And I try to set reasonable expectations for when I can communicate with the clients. No question that a client has is ever a dumb question or a question that's not worth my time to answer, because it's my job, it's my role to give them that information, to help them understand what's going on. So communication is a very important value. I give clients my cell phone when they come in. I tell them that they can call me on my cell phone. I give them my email address, and I give them the information to contact my legal assistants if I'm in court, so that there is that communication, so that any piece of paper, any evidence that they're sending in their case, we're going to receive, we're going to review it, and any information I get about their case from the court or from the district attorney, I let them know as soon as I have a chance to speak with my clients. So number one, very important value is communication. Number two is preparation. That means that before I go into court, before I talk to the district attorney about the case, before I'm speaking in court to the judge about the case, I do not want anybody to be more prepared or to know more information about a criminal case than I do. Because it's only to my client's advantage to have read every piece of paper in the case, to know everything about the law, to have researched every case that's come up that's applied the law. And that way, when I speak, before I say anything, no one's going to be more prepared than me, and no one's going to bring up anything or brought up any argument that I'm not prepared to address. And if I'm prepared to address those arguments, speak with the district attorney or to the judge, then that really will help my client.